Now this problem, so this is related to finding the K value for HOCN. HOCN is a weak acid, so we have to calculate Ka for HOCN. And this HOCN is basically it's a weak acid. Now let us see what are the reaction that is happening. You see, this side you have H2 to H plus, and this side Ag plus 2Ag. So we can write this reaction H2, and this is H plus, and this is half H2 plus electron, and E degree for this reaction is 0. And the next reaction you will have Ag plus plus electron, and this forms Ag. So this is the reduction half. For reduction half, E degree is given here, that is 0.8 volt. This is generally 0.799, but this time this is 0.8. So this is 0.8 volt. Now if I add these two reactions, so electron goes, so we will have the overall reaction, that is Ag plus plus half H2, and this is Ag plus H plus. E degree cell for this reaction is basically 0.8 volt. Now this is Ag is aqueous, and the concentration of Ag plus is given 0.8 m. So this is 0.8, and the hydrogen is 1 atmospheric pressure. You see the question, this is 1 atmospheric pressure, and Ag is solid, and this is aqueous, so we can calculate what is the concentration of H plus, because E cell is given. E cell is 0.982 volt. So let us say E cell, that is 0.982 volt. This is equals to E degree. E degree is 0.8 minus 0.0592, and this divided by n. N is 1 log of H plus, and divided by 0.8. Now if you see, we can calculate from here. So let us take this side, or I can write 0.982 minus 0.8, and this is equals to minus 0.592 log of H plus, and this divided by 0.8. Now let us solve this one. So we will have, this is 0.182 with a minus sign, this divided by 0.0592. So this is 0.0592, and this is equals to log of H plus divided by 0.8. So now we can calculate this value. So log of H plus, and this divided by 0.8, that is basically equals to minus 0.182 divided by 0.592. So let us calculate this value. So we will have 0.0182, and this is divided by 0.0592. So this value is 3.074. So this is around 3.074. I can take one more digit, 0743. Basically 2 digit is enough. So this is the value of log of H plus by E with a minus sign. So this means if I take anti-log, so H plus by 0.8, this is nothing but anti-log of this. I can have 10 to the power minus 3.0743. Are you getting? Okay, let us use the calculator to find this value. So we will have 10 raised to the power, so this is minus 10 raised to the power, so I will have, so I should have something like this, minus 3.0743. Now this value is, this is around 8.423 into 10 to the power minus, so this value is 8.423. So this is 423 into 10 to the power minus 4. I think this is the value. Yeah, this is 10 to the power minus 4. So this means I can calculate H plus. So what is the concentration of H plus? So this is 0.8 multiplied by 8.423 and 10 to the power minus 4. So this value is, so this answer multiplied by 0.8. So this is 6.74 into 10 to the power minus 4. So 6.74, so this value is 6.74 into 10 to the power minus 4. So this is the concentration of H plus. So if I know the concentration of H plus, now things are easy. We can write B case dissociation, HOCN will dissociate and it would form H plus plus OCN minus. We have to calculate Ka, but now I know the H plus. So if I know the H plus, I know the ON minus, OCN minus, because this same H plus and same OCN minus. Initial concentration is 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 3. So initially I have 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 3. This is 0, this is 0, and now here I will have 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 3 minus x. This is x, this is x. Now this x is same as this value, that is 0.674 into 10 to the power minus 3. So k value is, now I can write, so k is nothing but x square divided by 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 3 minus x. Are you getting? So what is k? K is x square and x is this, that is 6.74 into 10 to the power minus 4 raised to the power 2, and this divided by 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 3 minus x. X is this value 6.74. Let us write in 10 to the power minus 3. So 0.674 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now I can calculate k value from here. So this is k. So I have to have 6.74 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 8, and this value is 10 to the power minus 3 and 1.3 minus, so let us use calculator, 1.3 minus 0.674. So 1.3 minus 0.674. So this value is 0.626. So this is 0.626. 0.626. So let us use again. So we will have 6. So final value for k, that is 6.74 raised to the power 2. This divided by 626 and into 10 to the power minus 5. So you see what we have, 6.74 raised to the power 2. Let us multiply it again, 6.74 and then divided by 0.626, and this would put 0.626. So this value is 72.56. So 72.56. So this is 72.56 into 10 to the power minus 5. This is my k value. So now I can write k is 7.256 into 10 to the power minus 4. You see, the answer you have is not exactly the same. So this answer is 6.74, but 10 to the power minus 4 is same. 10 to the power minus order is almost same. This difference is coming because this value, I think this value is not exact value, 0.799. This is one reason, and another reason may be due to the rounding. So this reason either may be due to the rounding, because maybe in answer part they have done rounding. In this case I have taken exact figures, so that's why maybe due to the rounding. So either is due to the rounding, or so I can say either is due to the rounding, and e degree value E degree Az plus 2 Az value. This value is in books they write this value is 0.799. So I think this, if you take this one, you will get more correct value.